This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. When it comes to anti-aging, the market is flooded with lofty promises, making it genuinely challenging to discern what truly works. Obagi's ELASTIderm Lift Up and Sculpt Facial Moisturizer boldly claims clinical proof for visibly firmer and more sculpted contours, and a noticeable reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Can a cream genuinely deliver such significant results, giving you a youthful, lift up, and sculpt without invasive procedures? We're about to find out if it lives up to these high expectations before you invest your hard-earned money. Stick around for the honest truth and our comprehensive final verdict. So, what exactly is the Obagi ELASTIderm Lift Up and Sculpt Facial Moisturizer? This isn't your average hydrating cream. It's a premium, clinically proven anti-aging solution from Obagi, a brand renowned in the professional skincare world for its medical-grade formulations and scientific rigor. This particular product is meticulously engineered to address some of the most common and frustrating concerns as we age, namely, sagging skin, the gradual loss of defined facial contours, and the relentless march of fine lines and wrinkles that deepen over time. Its primary objective is to bring a noticeable improvement in skin firmness and elasticity, essentially working to lift up the skin's appearance and sculpt your face for a more youthful and defined profile, all without invasive procedures. It's a targeted, high-performance treatment for anyone looking to reclaim a more vibrant, firm, and contoured look. Let's break down the key features of the Obagi ELASTIderm Lift Up and Sculpt Moisturizer and why they truly matter for your skin. 1. Clinically proven efficacy. This isn't just a hopeful promise. This cream is robustly backed by rigorous clinical studies, demonstrating measurable improvements in skin firmness and elasticity. This is crucial because you're investing in a sophisticated solution with solid scientific validation, giving you significant peace of mind that it's highly likely to deliver on its promise to visibly enhance your skin's youthful appearance. 2. Visibly firms and sculpts facial contours. The primary promise of this product is its ability to directly combat skin laxity that comes with age. It actively works to restore your skin's inherent bounce and resilience. By specifically targeting areas like the jawline, neck, and cheeks, it helps to visibly lift their appearance, contributing to a more chiseled, defined, and overall youthful facial structure. 3. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.